Hello all. I wanted to come on and do a video today discussing genetic counselors and how to become a genetic counselor. There isn't tons of information out there about genetic counselors, and so I wanted to do a video about the educational requirements, what genetic counselors do and who they are, the where they may work, the job outlook, and so on and so forth. So I wanted to come on and give you all this information because, just in case some of you may want to become a genetic counselor or maybe look into the field of genetic counseling. So I wanted to first start off with the pay. Now, this is according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, and this is according to the 2018 median pay of genetic counselors. And according to BLS, they say that the median pay is about $80,370 per year, which averages out to $38.64 per hour. So that is awesome. According to the job rate of growth, they have a 29%, which is much faster than the average. And according to numbers of 2016, there were 3,100 jobs. So it looks like the field of genetic counseling is likely to grow very fast over the next few years. So if this is something that you are interested in, then I'd say, hey, go for it. Now, what is a genetic counselor? And again, this is according to BLS, and they say genetic counselors assess individual or family risk for a variety of inherited conditions such as genetic disorders and birth defects. They provide information and support to other healthcare providers or to individuals and families concerned with the risk of inherited conditions. So they basically work in hospitals, private or public, diagnostic laboratories, physicians' offices, and so on and so forth. So that just gives you a brief idea of what they do. Now, let's see what the educational requirements are. Now, they say that you typically have a master's degree. Now, when I was looking up the programs on the website, the accrediting body for these programs, which is ACGC, Accreditation Council for Genetic Counseling. When I looked on their website, all of the programs that were listed were most of them were master's degree programs. And as you can see here, I put together a few slides of the programs that are available. And they have master's programs. Again, most of them are master's level programs. And I did not click on any of them to see exactly how long the programs are. But if you all want to check into the programs, you can get onto ACGC's website, and I will put that in the description below. But I will say, if you all are interested in specific programs or something, perhaps that I will put together a video discussing the various programs. But as I was saying, it typically requires a master's degree, and according to BLS, it says coursework in genetic counseling includes public health, epidemiology, psychology, and developmental biology. Classes emphasize genetics, public health, and patient empathy. Students also complete clinical rotations during which they work directly with patients and clients. Clinical rotations provide supervised experience for students, allowing them to work in different work environments such as prenatal diagnostic centers, pediatric hospitals, or cancer centers. And they say as of 2016, there were 33 master's degree programs in the United States that were accredited by the Accreditation Council for Genetic Counseling. So now, when I was going through the website, it did seem like they probably added more programs since 2016. That was, 3 years ago. And it did seem like there were a lot more programs on the website. So Again, this is just a brief overview of what a genetic counselor is and how to become one. I will definitely go more in depth on the field of genetic counseling if this is something that you all are interested in and would like to hear more about. I'd really like to try to find out more about different counseling fields. And I know that you all like to hear about these different types of fields. So if you all have any questions, please let me know and I will try to answer them. I will try to get the information for you. If you are interested in possibly becoming a genetic counselor, if the pay in the job field looks pleasing to you, then I'd say check out the programs that are on the ACGC website. And again, I will put that in the description below. All right, you all, I will come back with more videos soon.